The Philippine Great Hornbill na si Mr. Bill. Now come here na boy. At ayan siya folks. There you go, syempre. Hindi dyan magpapahuli ang kanyang younger brother na si JJ. Alright now, JJ, ready ka na ba dyan boy? Wait lang natin folks. And there you go. And once again folks, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill with the scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Mindanao, and that's its meaning belonging to, therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see guys, their bills or ang kanilang mga tuka, it comprises 30% of its body. And also they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo sa malapitan, ang kanilang mga pilik mata folks. Girls, legit na legit yan, hindi sila nagpa-extension. Okay na ngayong hapon, magpapakitang gila sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna, okay? Now at the count of 3, you need to shout fly. Okay, what's the word?
Fly.
Let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and... One more energy. 1, 2, 3, and... Ready na ang ating mga bisita, mga kuya, Kuya G-Mark, Kuya Cyril. Ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw? Alright, now folks, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! What a perfect catch! Mr. Bill and JJ. Alright, now guys, when you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they're actually in mating season. So nanliligaw po ang lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto na nag-hatch ng lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl na kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana all talaga po. Subuti pa sa ating mga kalaw, may forever, no? Ako sa mga single ladies natin dyan, ha? Kung nag-aanap kayo ng forever, so alam na natin, nandito lang ang... Isa pa, nandito lang ang... Pwede rin sa mga trainers po. Okay, joke lang. Guys, once again, magpapakita ang gilas mo ulit ang ating mga kalaw now, folks. Prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... And that is our Philippine Great Hornbill, or also known as the Kalaw, the alarm jack of the rainforest, because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palapakan po natin ang ating mga kalaw folks at syempre, sina Kuya G-Mark